We can't talk cause all we do is shout at each other's face. Can we please sit down and have a decent conversation without tempers flaring all over the place, and have the decency to control each other's patience? We've been saying we didn't have enough of lying and it's fighting, but the next night at the same time you'll be crying and routine that we're tired and we jumped through hoops. We tried to the point where we're just both tired of trying. What do you do when you know loving her's a big mistake, but you're willing to take the risk to get your heart break? Heart broke, I don't care, caught in the chokehold. Hard stroke, this ain't no love boat, cause we don't flow. But either way you turn around and you tell her you love her, but she turns the other way and tells you go find another. Like, are you serious? We can't work this out. She said it's too late for me to stop the hurting now, so I'm gone.
Coming back, no more walking down this road alone. So now I gotta tell ya, I really should forget yourself for now. I'm gone, and listen, I would really try, but now I gotta spread my wings and fly. I close my eyes, say goodbye, maybe now you realize that I'm gone,
now you don't know how much I'd like to want you by my side, but I'm just tired, it's too constant, all these fights. Don't say you love me, cause love, now we ain't in it. You in love with the concept of being in love, period. It's like you want somebody there, it's like a fallback plan. I tell you girl, it isn't fair. We're supposed to be 50-50 in this relationship, but since we can't relate, it's fake. We let the ship to sink, cause we don't seem to give enough to one another. It's bananas, like we just putting up with one another. And even though we can't stand it, but in the midst of all this anger, there's a candle that can't be put out. See, the plan was me and you, thought it was written in stone, but all along I guess it wasn't. Guess it's time to move on, and you can hear it in my tone that I'm serious when I say that I'm gone. I'm gone.
girl, I'm gone. Coming back, no more walking down this road alone. So now I gotta tell ya, I really should forget yourself for now. I'm gone, and listen, I would really try, but now I gotta spread my wings and fly. I close my eyes, say goodbye, maybe now you realize that I'm gone, 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 I'm gone. Yeah, I'm gone, I'm gone, I'm gone, I'm gone, I'm gone, I'm gone.
Now you hear it all the time in every lyric, every rhyme that I write. Guess I'm tired of this life that you try to get away with all the time. There's no beauty of a chance, we don't seem to understand that we can't keep pushing each other's buttons till either one of us snaps, and neither of us have each other till we're both left with nothing we wanted, cause we ain't pushing for something. And these rhymes are redundant, cause I don't know how to sum it up.
Girl, I'm gone, coming back, no more walking down this road alone. So now I gotta tell ya, I really should forget yourself for now. I'm gone, and listen, I would really try, but now I